Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. So this is just a short video. Actually, this shoes it's been sitting here like maybe 2 months or 3 months and I didn't open it yet. So today I have decided to open it. I've ordered this on Adidas online. So here it is. It is the Ultraboost Light. The color is, of course, white. Look at this. Look at that. And I got this for like, it has 20% off. So because now there is already a new Ultraboost, so now this is cheaper. That's why it's good to buy when there is already like a new release, so that the old one is cheaper. This shoes is very light compared to my other Ultraboost. I have the Ultraboost 22. It's still kind of heavy compared to this. And look at that, like the material is very light and plastic waste, and it's really nice. The color, the white, I've been looking for this color here in Israel, but they don't have this in white. They only have black, so I've ordered online. So the size of this is 6.5. My size in Adidas is 6.5, and US 6.5, and in Europe it's 38. Made in Vietnam. So here under there is a Light Boost logo. Also in this side, Light Boost. And also here, and this Continental logo is over here in the side, and this side, and also it has like this dot at this part, dot like that. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like on my feet. So let's see. So I can wear this next week when I go out with Sabta for a walk, so I can wear this next week. So I'm gonna show you the comparison with the Ultraboost 22. What's the difference? Just wait a second, I will show you. So this is the difference between the two. This is my Ultraboost 22. As you can see, it has huge difference. This is heavier a bit, just a bit, and at the back. So now I'm gonna try it on my feet, how it looks like. So this is how it looks on my feet. Oh, it is so comfy, very light. I really love it. I'm ready to walk with this. Finally, I finished the unboxing. So if you are interested, you can buy this one as well, because now it is cheaper. Here at the back. On the front. So good. So nice. And so comfy. So that's it. thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much everyone for supporting my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. See ya. I love you all.